this video, we will see about Safala Ekadasi, its significance and story. Ekadasi means 11, Krishna Paksha means dark moonlight, Sukla Paksha means bright moonlight. Safala Ekadasi is an auspicious day observed on the 11th day of Krishna Paksha during the month of Paush in the Hindu calendar. This Ekadasi is also referred as Pausha Krishna Ekadasi. In English calendar, it is celebrated between the months of December and January. Devotees can wash away their sins and also enjoy a blissful life when this Ekadasi fasting is observed. As we already know, Ekadasi is an auspicious day that occurs twice in every lunar Hindu month, and it is a day dedicated to worship Lord Vishnu. The word Safala means to prosper, and therefore this Ekadasi should be observed who desires success and happiness in all fields of life. Following or observing this Ekadasi is equivalent to 100 Rajasuya Yagas and 1000 Ashwamedha Yagas. This day transforms bad luck into rewarding fortune by ending all miseries of life. Safala Ekadasi has powers to help devotees to accomplish their desires and dreams in reality. Besides, it also gives satisfaction and inner peace to the observer of the Safala Ekadasi. Let's see the story of Safala Ekadasi. Story of this Ekadasi was narrated by Lord Krishna to King Yudhishthira in Brahmanda Purana. Once there lived a king with 4 sons, of which the one named Lumbaka was very cruel and distrusted Lord Vishnu. Due to his arrogant nature, he was expelled from the kingdom. Even then, he was unaffected. He started to steal from others and eat meat by killing animals. He started living in forest under a banyan tree and searched for food daily. One day, he fell ill and was unable to eat or drink anything, which made him stay awake the whole night. Fortunately, that day fell on Safala Ekadasi, and thus he unknowingly received the virtue of observing the fast. In the morning, he felt a massive difference physically and mentally. He understood that Lord Vishnu, the preserver of the universe, is the reason behind this change. Instantly, he became sincere devotee of the Lord and returned to his father, apologizing for his mistakes. After that, Lumbaka enjoyed a blissful life and he attained salvation after death. Thus, Lord Krishna concluded the story of Safala Ekadasi. Devotees recite Vishnu Sahasranamam, Bhagavad Gita, and Lord Vishnu songs and Arati during this day. We can also tell this mantra Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.